Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone who shops online. What is 3D Secure, commonly known as 3 seconds? 3D Secure is an authentication protocol designed to provide an extra layer of security for online credit and debit card transactions. You may have seen terms like Verified by Visa, MasterCard Secure Code, or American Express Safe Key. These are all brands of 3D Secure technology. So how does it work? Let's break it down step by step. First, you select your items and proceed to checkout. Once you enter your card details, the merchant sends the transaction information to your card issuer for authorization. The card issuer checks if your card is enrolled in 3D Secure. If it is, you'll be redirected to an authentication page. Here you might be asked to enter a password or a one-time code sent to your phone or email. This step verifies your identity. Once you're authenticated, the card issuer sends a confirmation back to the merchant, allowing the transaction to proceed. Finally, the merchant completes the transaction and you receive confirmation of your purchase. So, what are the benefits of 3D Secure? First, reduced fraud. It adds an extra layer of security against unauthorized transactions. Second, liability shift. The liability for fraudulent transactions often shifts from the merchant to the card issuer. And third, increased customer trust. Customers feel more secure knowing there are additional verification steps. For merchants, integrating 3D Secure with their payment gateway is essential. It helps prevent fraud and builds customer confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on secure online transactions. Stay safe while shopping.